How to get $100 discount here on your Klook application or website. For this, I will simply open the Klook discount promo codes on my browser, and then this is the website called GrabOn. You can simply go to the GrabOn website and check for QR codes for this platform or this company. To get coupons for Klook, you will see that in front of you there is a lot of coupons: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are different deals: app exclusive offer, flat 15% offer, 5% offer, 30%, 7%, and also up to $100. To get discount up to 60% on the booking, you have to click on the right view QR option or the promo code option here, and then it will redirect you to the official page of Klook where you have to log into your account. Simply copy the QR or the promo code from this menu, and then you can paste it during the payment page presented on your Klook website. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates, videos, and reviews like this. Keep watching, keep loving.